When I first got Mad Art, it was really going to be just an art gallery. Very quickly, I had to come up with a different way to keep things moving forward. So we started doing events. My aunt, she owned a restaurant way back in the day, and I used to work with her in the kitchen when I was a kid. And I worked for caterers, and so took over the catering. I handle all the food and beverage service here now. True Refrigeration is usually my go-to. Every time we do an event, at least one, if not both bars are being used, and we have the bottle coolers at both bars. Whenever we do an event, it's like one stop. When I got the building, I was working for the St. Louis County Police Department, and I was going to school getting my BFA. The building was originally the St. Louis City 3rd District Police Station. So the irony of it all isn't lost on me that, I had this police background and I had an art background and I wanted to open a gallery, and it just happened to be inside of an old police station. Whenever I have to buy a new piece of equipment, True Refrigeration, I always have a size that I like, because some of the other manufacturers, I can't get them through a normal door. No matter how much I stick in there, it holds at the temp, and they're workhorses.